He is performing squats on the shuttle balance to improve dynamic knee stability. The goal is to maintain balance as the board shifts forward and back, side to side, and up and down. Blood flow restriction bands are on his upper thighs. Proper weight shifting is essential to maintain balance. For level 2, strobe eyewear is introduced. He focuses on keeping the core engaged, hinging at the hips, and preventing his knees from collapsing inward. He has to react quickly to the changes in body positioning to keep his balance. It is noticeably more difficult for him to maintain his balance when squatting while wearing the strobe eyewear because there is a deficit in proprioception. To prepare for higher level activities, you have to perform higher level exercises.